Hey guys, it's Rafiqah and today I'm doing my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing, and if you want to see that, keep watching. Hey guys, so I just got my Beautylish Lucky Bag, Lucky Box in the mail. And if you don't know what that is something that Beautylish does once a year where they send out a box of stuff for $75. I think it's worth up to like 100 and something, but it's worth more than what you buy it for. But it's a Japanese tradition. But it is inspired by a Japanese tradition. At the end of the year, they believe that like having old stuff is bad luck. So stores would just send out a bunch of stuff and would sell a big bag of stuff just for a lower price because they want to get of old products and be able to get new shipments in. Oh, why does mine look kind of open? This is my bag, but it looks weird. Oh, okay, I see. It came in this really cute paper. It has all the I think these are like little angels on here. Let me read. See, my tape is like off. See the tape? I just pulled the little card off of it, but it's like up. I hope nobody was in my stuff at that post office. One of these feel kind of empty, but we'll see. On this little tag, look at all these little, I think they're little angels. Oh, there's 7 lucky gods. And that's what's on the wrapping paper too. It says, Lucky Bags are Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2018, hashtag Beautylish. I got the one that was $75 and it was the regular size. Some people got the extra large size, but that was only if you have spent $1,000 at Beautylish. So I guess this is everything I got right here. And so I'm just gonna unwrap it. And I guess I'll just like, I don't want to look at it, I just want to pick stuff out. So this is the first thing that I got. Oh, what is this? I got the By Terry Sunflower palette. It's a bronzer, blush, and illuminator. Bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Instant healthy glow. And you did get to order this in your skin tone, and I got the dark deep because I'm dark deep. I ordered this when I was in Saudi Arabia, and it was such a, ooh. This is luxurious. It's like in a little silk bag. Oh my, I mean a little leather bag. Oh my. Who is this By Terry? This is in number 1, Tan and Flash Cruise. I hope this is like not light. Oh. Interesting. So what is this again? Bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So I'm guessing these are the blushes and these are the highlighters, and I guess that's the bronzer in the middle, which is not, I don't think that's dark enough for my skin tone. But look at this mirror. You can't really see, but this mirror is amazing. This is like a hefty thing. This is so cute. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't know if I want to keep it or give it away in like a giveaway, so I'm just gonna put that back in here. The back, this exceptional palette creates an all-over radiant and sun-kissed look on both fair and tan complexions. But I feel like I'm a little bit more than, like I'm not like tanned, I'm like brown. But anyways, it features 6 elegant and sparkling shades playing a role of bronzers, blush, and highlighters that enhance the skin's appearance. Delicate, soft, and airy textures in both matte and satin finishes allow to sculpt contours, brighten features, correct or intensify the complexion, all the while revealing the full splendor of the tan. These beautifully silky sun-kissed shade can be applied and layered on all skins and blend in perfectly. I don't know how I'm feeling about this one. Tell me in the comments if you guys like that one. Ooh, the next thing I got is this Jeffree Star Velour lipstick in the color Pumpkin Pie. Ooh, this is about to be a little orange number. Oh. This is a Jeffree Star Velour lipstick in the color Pumpkin Pie. Let's swatch that. Oh, this is fall for life. I don't see myself wearing this, but I'm definitely... Oh, wait, there's sparkles in it? Okay, I might try this. I might try it. All my friends love when I wear like lipstick, and I just think I look so weird. The next product is The Ordinary Hide Adherence Silicone Primer. I know The Ordinary is not that expensive, so I know this is about 19 bucks. So I know this is not a very expensive thing, but it's a silicone primer. Wait, but silicones are bad. It's high adherence, blurring, smooth, surface smoother, and primer. It says use as last step in skincare regimen either on its own or as a makeup primer, fragrance free. Oh, it supports makeup adherence, visible surface texture, and hydration. Let's look in the, oh, but dimethicone is in here. I wonder if dimethicone is in the Smashbox one. The next product I got is this. Oh, no, this is a heavy hitter. I just got the NATASHA DENONA Glow all over body, face, and all over glow, face and body shimmer and powder. Wait, how do I? NATASHA DENONA, like that's one of like the top, like one of the top brands, one of the most expensive brands. Like I'm shook, and I got this in dark. Hope it's not too dark. Oh my god, I feel like I've seen this before. I just like contour this. Like I think it's like a bronzy kind of thing. Is there instructions? There's mica in this? Mica is so bad for you, I thought. Sorry, I'm being like a ingredient Nazi, but sorry. I am definitely going to do more research on this and see how to use it exactly, because I really don't know. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to contour or bronze, or is this supposed to be a highlighter, because it says a shimmer and powder. But, and honestly, my skin does look shimmery, but like this is dark. But my hands are like lighter than my face, which is weird, but like they're way lighter if you can see. I got a Wayne Goss brush. So I got the number 20 Wayne Goss brush, and this is the perfect size brush I've been looking for. And I know this itself is probably like 30 bucks. What, I want to touch it. I got a Wayne Goss brush. Oh my god, Wayne Goss is like, everybody knows Wayne Goss. Like if you're into makeup, you know Wayne Goss. Like his brushes. Look at this Wayne Goss. Oh man, oh my. Oh, this is a good buy. This was a good buy. The last and final thing that I have, which I'm actually excited for, is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. I actually was thinking about buying this, and then I was like, nah, I don't need that. But now, since I got it in here, I do need it. I do like Anastasia's Beverly Hills palettes, but I bought Subculture. Like my first real eyeshadow palette was Modern Renaissance, which my friend bought for me. And then I bought Subculture, and I was like, no. That went right back to their factory. That was sent right back by Hun. But this is Prism. Wait. Oh, it won't focus. Oh, little brush fell out in the plastic. So, you know, just a regular brush you always get with Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So this is like $42, so that's more than half of what I paid for this box. I know this and like the Wayne Goss brush, like this and the liquid lipstick from Jeffree, probably that's the whole price. Why does this look scratched? Okay, I'm not sure. So this is the palette. It's really interesting. I thought it was like a yellow one. Oh, there it is. I was like, what? Where is that? Come on. Oh, it's not focusing. Hold on. So this is the palette. These shimmers are gorgeous. I actually have a lot of ideas for this palette. I'm excited for this. And it's the same size as Modern Renaissance, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it's the same exact size. And it's velvet, just like Anastasia. Ooh, I love it. Oh, Anastasia's, oh. Renaissance is dirty. We'll put her back. But that's everything that I got. And I'm thinking, and I think the reason the little sticker popped up is because it's so cold. Because I was just worried somebody's stealing my stuff. But let's just go over everything I got in this bag. I got the Prism by ABH. I got the NATASHA DENONA Glow All Over Shimmer Powder. I got this Wayne Goss brush. Wayne Goss. Even though I really did want the brow brush. The brow set that everybody got last year. I wanted that. That goes with all my new brushes. I got the Ordinary Primer. I got the Tea by Terry Sun Designer palette, which I have to learn how to use. And last but not least, I got this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. So overall, I think this box was really, really good. Tell me down in the comments what you guys thought. Would you have paid $75 for this? What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and push the like bell. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button next to it so you guys are notified every time I post. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look crusty. I gotta go. Bye, guys.